I recently started a new journey of woodworking. I've never really messed with woodworking before, and I don't have a shop. That's what I'm doing here is I'm setting up a table for today to work on. My sister called me and asked me to make her cutting boards that looked like books. This is what this project is going to be about. I started by taking 2 strips of lumber, 1 maple and 1 walnut, and cutting them down into 12-inch pieces. As you can see, I've got my supervisor here telling me probably I was doing something wrong and I needed to fix it. Now he's checking on me. Did you get it done? Yes, sir. We got it done. Now that I have everything measured out, take it over to the miter saw and start chopping it down, piece by piece. I was having some issues with the miter saw catching, and I could not figure out why. I eventually did, but now that I'm recording this, I don't remember what was wrong. Anyways, we got it figured out. Now that we've got everything cut down into 12-inch pieces, we're going to take it over to the table saw, which I have never used one of these before. So my instructor, again, is giving me lots of guidance. I think I measured out to rip these down into 2-inch strips for a butcher block style cutting board. My instructor stayed with me the entire time I was working with the table saw and cut the pieces, because again, no shop, right? So I don't have a landing table for the wood to fall onto. This goes on for a while. You can finish the video if you want, and part 2 to come soon. Thanks for watching.